Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Zoya naked manicure. Here is the box that I got and I'm going to add one to it. We're going to start with the naked manicure and this one is the base coat. And this is a really nice manicure to wear if you're not like really wanting like polish like any color popping or whatever. I know, craziness, you know what I'm talking about. All right, so then we're going to go in with this. This is the Pink Perfector. These Perfector colors kind of tend to take care of different issues as far as discoloration on your nails. And you guys will get to see what I'm talking about here in just a moment, I guess. So that's the pink one. And now we're going to go in with the Lavender Protector. And I'm going to do a coat of that over all the nails. Now my nails aren't like super stained. They're not like wicked stained. But there is a little bit. Something that, you know, I never can get all the way up. And that's okay, you know. I normally have them painted, so it's all right. I'm going to top these with the satin seal, and it says to shake it before you use it. So I'm definitely going to do that with this top coat here. Give it a good shaky shake, and then we're going to go over it. Now, I have done both hands with this naked manicure. I'm going to show a swatch photo and me doing it over this one hand, but I have done both hands with this. So these will be my what's under my next two manicures that I've you know, done. Oh, hi, Woody. How you doing? He was hiding under my hand, but he was there. And there is what that looks like. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.